Okay, now this one. This is already done. Look, I'm going to make it. That was a ball. Now it's a robot. You might think, what are these masks for? Look, just open this. Grab one of the masks you like, put it in, and done. Look, the mask is inside. And look, when you push this button, this like his neck will extend. This is a goose. And these are the cards that you can play with. But yes, I don't know how to play it. So let's get back to when we are making that milkshake. Okay, you might wonder, how can I make this into a ball? Look, the feet is like this. Just bend it up and then feet goes there and done. The arms, no, you just do this and done. Snap it in. Done. Look, a ball. Roll. Okay. Milkshake Bionicle. This is my straw and I'm going to drink my milkshake. This I'm gonna put right here and at this. I don't know what I'm trying to build, but yes, I can think of something that I can build. It's good. This is a gun. I think I'm making a gun. Doot. I don't know, just because I like building and I use my imaginations. Let's make something else. Like something in some movies. You already know what this is. Remember, and I don't know, but it was something that was mad. Wait, no. Oh yeah, look at this. Can you guess what I am making? And can you still guess? If your answer was a bird, you're right, but more specific, it's a phoenix. Those phoenixes in movies like, look, they have flashing red eyes with some flames inside. Look, you can even turn this into a shield. Yes. Okay. Sorry, but there was something stuck inside that phoenix head. Look. That was stuck. That That's why I just boom. But don't do that, because some of your pieces will disappear. Stop with the milkshake. On to the Legos. Okay, let's make something real this time. Oh, I know. Let's make a robot. But not this one, but the one that I want to build. Let's start building. First, you need to, if you have these Bionicles, you can build it like mine. First, look, this one, but its length has to be like this. Okay? You put it right in here, and these Bionicles don't come from here, but they come from here. Air Bionicles is here, the robot Bionicle. Okay, after that, you need to find a body that is like this. Then you put it, there's a little hole in here, so you can put it right just in here, okay? But I think it's the wrong stick. So the stick needs to be this long, not that long. Okay, put it inside here. Look, okay? The body of the robot is there. Now we're gonna make the arms. The arms needs to be like this. Gonna make them to the front, so that's why I'm using these, like treadmills. But I have two. So one for each side. One, gonna push that in. There's some space just because I'm gonna put something in there. But if you have Bionicle like this, don't copy mine. You can make your own. And yeah, you can make whatever your heart says. Then we're gonna attach this like a grappling hook. Spider-Man. Okay, this part, yes, I'm gonna attach something right in here. Or maybe like this. Oh yes, I remember. I made that transforming robot, and I can make it too. Just need to do this, okay? Like a treadmill. And then after that, you just need, look, there's a little hole right here too. Just need to find the blue part, and yes, you need to insert the circle part. Then you can attach this one right here. Look, so it can do this. It can spin round and round like that. Okay, after that you can wait. Okay, like that. Let me. Then you can insert some arms. Those arms that I insert, I don't remember, but I think let's do the feet first, okay?